Namaste Gurukulian. I hope all of you are fit and fine. Welcome back. Physical Education Chapter 5 Part 7, final part of this chapter, Yoga or Class Plus 1. Dear student, in previous part we completed the Kriyas. Neti, Dhoti, Basti, Tratak, Nyoli, Kapalbhati, 6 Kriyas we have completed. So in this topic, very important thing, Yoga Nidra, or it will be very beneficial for you if you are suffering, especially in lockdown. We don't have a work to do at home. Unnecessary things we are thinking continuously, or that somewhere it's depress us, somewhere it's give little bit tension or anxiety to us. So to remove this Yoga Nidra, a very best or very appropriate method to remove the stress, anxiety, or to calm our mind or calm our senses or to control our scattered mind. Okay, so Yoga Nidra, as you know, Yoga means it is related to yoga, Nidra means need. Nidra means doesn't mean you have to sleep. Okay, in this one thing you have to be aware. Be aware. Yoga means, through yoga means with the relaxation we will get the sleep, but we have to be aware. Don't try to sleep during this activity. Okay, but we feel sleepy after 5-10 minutes. We start feeling sleepy when we are performing this activities. Okay, Yoga Nidra. In Yoga Nidra, what happen? Only process orally I will tell you. Yoga Nidra, in the beginning of the Yoga Nidra, we will command you, now we are going to perform Yoga Nidra. So at first you will take a proper position. Proper position means you have to lay down on any mat or bed where you will feel comfortable, bed, or that position is known as the supine position, I think. Supination, pronation, supine position. Okay. Supine position on any bed, any comfortable place where you can lay down easily without taking a pillow or anything. Okay, but any pillow which is comfortable to you, that you can take easily. Okay, in this position your face should be upward, your palm should be sideward of your pelvic region. Okay, palm, hand. Pelvic region, not attached with your body, but little bit half, maybe 6 to 8 inches sideward from your body, or palm facing toward the sky. Palm of your hand, palm facing toward the sky. Feet, we can say legs apart, means don't attach your leg with each other. Your feet, gap in between your feet should be near, we can say 1 feet is sufficient. 8 to 12 inches easily we can say apart your leg, or relax your legs. Relax your body, no movement during this position, no movement. No movement we have observed in your body. Eyes should be closed, or you have to lay down in supine position, face toward the sky, eyes closed. Your hand should be near your pelvic region, or your hand little bit far from your body, from your in middle line, or your feet should be apart, or gap in between both of your feet should be 8 to 12, or we can say 1 feet, around 1 feet. After took this position, the process of Yoga Nidra will start. In the beginning, who is the commander, means who is commanding you for the Yoga Nidra? He will give you a command that you have to take a sankalp, means एक तरह का लक्ष्य, means why you are performing Yoga Nidra, or two type of sankalp he will put in front of you. First one, why you are performing Yoga Nidra, means through this Yoga Nidra what you want to achieve. Second one sankalp he will put in front of you, that you will follow all the instruction which is command from outside, or which you will hear, that you have to properly follow. In the beginning, this two command he will give you, then he will start the Yoga Nidra process. In the beginning, he will command you close your eyes or concentrate on the command. After giving command 2 to 3 times, we will give you the command to concentrate on your breathing, means like this: inhale, deep inhalation you have to do, or then stop that breathing for some time, then on the command you have to exhale. That process he will command you 2 to 3 times. Then we will rotate your concentration left to right, or head to toe, or toe to head. Suppose in the beginning I told you, you are in the position of Yoga Nidra, or I am commanding you, then I will command you, at first you have to concentrate on the top of your head. For some time when you concentrate on the top of your head, then I will tell you that concentrate on your forehead. Then you will concentrate on your forehead. Like this, slowly we will bring your concentration toward your feet, means then forehead, then we will tell you on your eyes, then nose, then lips, then feel the breathing, like you are taking oxygen or throwing outside carbon dioxide, that is touching your mustache or lips, that you have to feel. Then you have to concentrate on your chin, then neck, then chest, then feel your heart rate, then on your nabi, abdominal area, then on your left thigh, then knee, then calf, then ankle, then feet, like this. Then in the end, full part, like full leg you have to concentrate, or feel the heaviness in your leg. Okay, then another leg, feet, ankle, calf, knee, thighs, then full leg, feel the heaviness in your leg. Same thing he will do, like I will command you for right arm or left arm, like concentration, that was head to toe or toe to head. Another hand side, at first you have to concentrate on your left hand. Feel the one by one all the fingers of your hand, then feel the palm is facing toward the sky, then feel your wrist joint, then elbow, then biceps, triceps, then shoulder. Okay, then I will tell you, feel the full arm, feel the heaviness of your full arm, then left side chest, then feel the heart rate, then right side chest, then shoulder, right side shoulder, then triceps, biceps, elbow and wrist joint, then palm, then finger, one by one feel all the finger, then full arm, right arm, feel the heaviness of full arm. Like this the commander will command you, or this process will continue till 30 to 40 minutes, even 20 to 40 minutes we can say this process will continue. Or during this process, in between, if you are totally concentration, one thing you must be aware, but the body tone, muscle tone must be like 0. We know that we cannot do it, bring it on 0, little bit muscle tone will be there, but we will feel the heaviness in our muscular, means voluntary muscles, we will feel that it is look like a heavy, means our body weight become a 500 kg, like this feeling we will feel. But our brain, our concentration is only aware, rest of the body is like it is sleeping, but our concentration continuously rotating in the body. That thing is the, we can say, apex level of yoga nidra. It means if we will follow all the instruction, or our body we will feel that it is heavier, it is totally in rest, but our concentration, we can say our nervous system, brain is aware toward the command, or toward where the command for the concentrate on the hand, palm, whatever it is. Okay, so it is known as the yoga nidra. In the end, when we complete the yoga nidra process, we know our, in the end also same sankalp we will do, both sankalp, that why I was performing yoga nidra, or for the life aim, mean with the positivity of life, with the full of concentration, without scattered mind, I will achieve my aim. That is the sankalp also we will do in the end of the yoga nidra. Okay, oh, when we complete, then near about 30 to 40 minutes when it will over. It doesn't mean when it's over immediately we will get up. Or one more thing, when I am giving you the command 20 to 30 minutes, little bit soft music also played on the at the background. Okay, or in the end when I will finish it, then I will command you that feel the music for some time, or in the end you have to turn left or right side, slowly get up. After in sitting position for 30 to 1 minute also you have to sit, then rub your palm, keep on your eyes 2-3 times you have to do this, or then slowly you have to open the eyes, or then you will feel the beauty of nature, beauty of life. That is the actual aim of the yoga nidra. Okay, now benefit. What is the benefit of yoga nidra? Benefit. You don't believe, if you will practice this yoga nidra, it will helpful, or even in your family, especially for the aged person, they have also performed this, or you have also performed this. It will drastically help you to achieve your aim in your life, because it's improve our senses, it's improve our brain. Means अगर इंजन ही हमारा बिल्कुल शार्प होगा तो ऑटोमेटिकली द होल बॉडी विल वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंजन, और इफ इट इज ऑन राइट पाथ देन नोबडी कैन स्टॉप अस टू अचीव आवर एम. ओके, बेनिफिट ऑफ योग निद्रा. Benefit of yoga nidra is, yoga nidra can be practiced by anyone or does not require any complicated poses technique. It is easy to fit. These are the he is saying about the process, but we are doing benefit. It's calm our mind. Okay, second one, it's control scattered mind. Third one, it's prevent from stress, anxiety, depression. Fourth one, it's improve the efficiency of nervous system. Okay, fifth one, it's helpful for control high BP and hypertension. Okay, These 4-5 benefits are, many more are there, you can write from yourself, but these 4-5 you have to write when you are giving the answer of that Yoga Nidra, if question will come in exam. So dear student, this is the, we can say, end of the chapter, or that chapter is over. One more thing was there, yoga for concentration, some asanas were given: Sukhasan, Tadasan, Padmasan, Shashankasan, Nokasan, Vrikshasan, Garudasan. That PDF I will send you of the chapter, or from that PDF you will get the procedure or benefits of that asana, how to perform this asana, or from internet or YouTube also you will get the video of particular asana, how to perform this, or for Yoga Nidra also you will get the video. So for this chapter this much, check all the videos properly. Any problem is there, then you can send me the message on WhatsApp. I will solve you, I will try my best to solve your problem, or lots of things I also learn from you, because you ask different questions, so it's compel me to check out the answer of your question. Sometime it is out of your the syllabus, or sometime it is very helpful for me also. Okay, so thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video with next part. तब तक के लिए नमस्ते, take care of your health. Thank you.